What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. Super well. We're gonna go over Solana. Got my healthy smoothie here: beetroot, ginger, lemon, garlic, one apple for sweetness, turmeric. Yeah, purify the blood, purify the liver, sharpen the brain. Anyways, let's go over Solana. We're sitting at $100 on the dot. Up a 1.8 on the day. See market cap 43.18 billion. 24-hour volume 3.42 billion. Let's hop to the charts. So, what I'm looking at, here's your wave 1 to the upside, wave 2. This is a massive wave 3 potentially. And we hold this pullback zone in a wave 4. So we may fill this wick. It's very possible, but I think there's a good chance we could bounce off $84. Maximum retracement is $71. If that breaks, then this impulse is over and we look for a larger pullback. But I still think there's a decent chance that we could put in a higher high. If we look at the daily chart, we're just holding that 20 EMA. So if we can close the day above that 20 EMA, that's a decent sign of strength. We do have to watch that bearish divergence on the RSI. If it crosses the 50 line, higher probability you come down to oversold, you see a larger pullback. Weekly chart looks like we may close the week depending on the next few days with a Darth Maul candle. We are quite overbought on the RSI, and it would be healthy to see some consolidation as we sit up here and allow the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles. See how we just went parabolic right here. You can see here we went pretty parabolic. Look at this consolidation, correction. We go parabolic again, consolidation before breakout again. So that's what I think is likely, is we'll see some consolidation. May take a few weeks, be a little bit boring in January. But that's the way it goes. That's price action. Beautiful to see that massive impulse. We love to see it, but we need to slow down or we're going to crash hard. So we want to see some consolidation for Sol. But I do think there's a decent chance we bounce from the zone in between $100 and $71 and then push up in a wave 5. We are currently in trades for Matic, XRP, Gala Games. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Grab those bonuses up to $5,500. Then just send me an email after you make your first deposit. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, forex signals, forex analysis, trade crypto, trade forex, all in one place. With a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in the next video. Much love. Take care. All right.